Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to fade your images in Canva. It's one of the easiest things you can do in Canva, so let's get started. First, click on the image you want to fade. Look up to the toolbar above your image. You'll see a little chessboard icon. That's your transparency button. Click on it. A slider will appear. Simply drag it left or right to adjust the transparency of your image. You can also manually enter a value in the box for precise control. Keep adjusting until you achieve the perfect fade intensity that suits your design. Once you're happy with the fade effect, click anywhere else on your canvas to apply the changes. And that's it! You've successfully faded your image in Canva. Easy, right? If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.